Hello, good morning students. Students, already we have discussed that plants prepare their own food with the help of chlorophyll. They take water, carbon dioxide and also the sunlight to prepare their food. The food is in the form of sugar and it is starch and it is stored by the plants for their growth, for their development, for their energy and also for the animals. We also use them. Okay, so starch is used by not only plants, even we also eat that starch to get energy. Now, through a small experiment, children, I will show you that how we know that that plants have starch in it. Now, children, if you take plant or if you take the potatoes and you know potato it has starch. Now I have just taken the starch powder and here I will use the starch which is from plants only. I have taken the powder because if I have to show you the plant with the starch and that will be a long process. You can do it at home. In your textbook it is mentioned the steps to do it. Just through a simple experiment I am going to show you how the green plants they prepare their food and they have starch in their leaves which is stored in their leaves. Okay. Now I take this is the starch, children, and it is dissolved in water. Okay, I have taken 1 teaspoon of starch powder and I have dissolved in water. You can see it in the test tubes. It is kept. You all can see this. You must have seen these things in the labs, our chemistry or bio labs. So this is the starch. Can you see it? It is at the bottom and it is diluted with water, dissolved in water. Now here I will put some drops of iodine and it will turn into something which you will see now. Just observe it. Children, I will show you iodine too. This is called iodine. Okay, this is iodine. Can you see? Dark brown color. This is iodine and this is the dropper. With the help of dropper, I will drop iodine in the test tubes. Okay, just I will show you. Just wait, children. You can see I have taken that starch solution, starch powder extracted from the plants and made into powder and then dissolved in water, and then I am putting a few drops of iodine. Just observe what happens. Can you see change? It is turning to dark blue. The starch is turning into dark blue. Okay, children? You can see the starch has turned into dark blue or purple. Now if I put more, children, more iodine, it will turn into very dark purple or black. Okay, can you see? I hope you are able to see it properly. So it has done. Now Children, this another test tube I have taken this, and in this I am putting few drops of iodine. I have to be very careful, children, because these things are. Now can you see, has it turned into dark black and brown? Means black or blue? No. Why? Because you know this is chalk powder. I have taken chalk powder. I have taken a chalk. I have taken a chalk like this, a bigger one, and I have made into dust. And I have put this chalk powder in this. And see, it has not turned into any violet or blue in color. It is in that same iodine. Now this shows that starch, with the help of iodine solution, we can prove that. See the difference here and this difference of this. Can you see? This is my chalk powder and this is my starch powder. It has turned into dark black or blue. Okay, and this is the chalk powder. It has not turned into any change in color because it has no starch. It is my chalk powder and this is my starch. Okay, so children, this shows that if I take starch powder and drop a few drops of iodine, it will turn into dark blue or black. Children, this proves that starch is present in green plants. So plants prepare food with the help of chlorophyll. When we add iodine to the bleached leaf, so if you take a leaf and bleach it, you have bleach at home, you ask your mother to help you out, you bleach the leaf and that is used in the clothes, and then it turns into blue back. This shows that starch present in a green plant. So this is what I did. I took that starch powder, put iodine in it, and it turned into dark black or dark blue. This shows that plants have leaves stored starch or that food, sugar in their leaves. Okay, plants store their food in the leaves or other parts of the plants too. Thank you, children.